Meaning of hark.
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 Hark. The word hark is an interjection that means to listen or pay attention. It is usually used in commands or exclamations, such as hark. Do you hear that? The origin of the word can be traced back to Middle English and Old High German. In contemporary usage, hark is often used to indicate a sudden focus on a particular sound or conversation. It encourages others to stop what they're doing and pay attention to what's happening around them. In short, hark means to actively listen and be attentive.